Hi guys, here at Conington level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Callow. There we go. Now, the time is 17:24 on Saturday the 23rd of May 2015, and this is for our 17:38 to Sierra 26 East Coast service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Wait, hold on. Sorry, 44, wrong time. I mean our 17:45 1D23 from London King's Cross to Hull, and maybe our 17:49 1 Hotel 10 Hull trains. No, wait. East Coast service from London King's Cross to Hull. Got those Hull trains for a second because that mainly goes to Hull, but we have our plane there because there's a plane century thing nearby. Nice view of the lights without sun. Trying to mind the nettles. I mean, there's two level crossings. I think there's another crossing somewhere nearby that is also haunted, but this has had a mysterious disappearance once. It wasn't properly on the news, but I read in our local paper. Nothing yet. 2 minutes. Here comes a 91. It's bouncing a bit. Alright, we got... This is... Yeah, 91. At least I think that was 227. Sorry if I get jumbled up on the numbers, I can't see them very clearly. And we're staying for our Kings to Hull, which will be a 43. Just waiting for it to come in on the fast line. View around. Yep, we've gone yellow, so be here within a couple of minutes. Or a minute or so. Can't zoom in, sorry. With my camcorder I could. At this crossing, all these coasts go on the middle track unless of otherwise, and First Capital Connect normally go on the two outer tracks. Don't know where Hull and Grand Central go. Well, Grand Central also goes on the middle, Hull probably in the middle. Double yellow. Here she comes. Be green by the time she reaches it. 43s, of course. Yep, she's green. We've got trains, 277! Morning, 238 or something, I didn't really get that, sorry. Up they go. Sorry, that was a text or a notification. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hi guys, Callow here. Now just to say this is a re-upload because it wouldn't upload before. So thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.